Students, welcome to Accountancy class. I am NARSIMULU, Commerce teacher. Today, I am going to teach you CEC first year Accountancy. Topic: Journalizing Accounting Transactions. Here, I am going to use Nominal Account Principle as well as a Real Account Principle to journalizing the business transaction. Students, you all know there are three types of accounts. One is real personal account, second one real account, third one nominal account. And these accounts have their own principles. Personal account principle is debit the receiver, credit the giver, or debit the receiver account, credit the giver account. Real account principle: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account principle: expenses, losses, costs should be debited, incomes, profits and gains should be credited. So these are the principles of three accounts. And here you also know that as per dual aspect concept, every business transaction will have two aspects. So here also we given one transaction. In this transaction we need to find two aspects. See what is the transaction, what are the aspects we are going to need to find. On 11th January 2018 received rent rupees 5,000. It is one accounting transaction. So in this transaction, here received rent. Received is a keyword, rent is a income. So to identify it as an income, we should consider this keyword received rent. Received rent becomes an income to organization. So we find one aspect, that is income. Okay, students. So in this transaction, only one aspect is there. There is no another aspect. So when there is no another aspect, you can go to add at the end of this transaction cash. The word you can go to use or add cash, because we are receiving rent in the form of cash. So here, of course, in the transaction the word cash is not given, but we have to assume it as rent received in the form of cash. So here cash is the another aspect. Okay, so here cash is asset. Okay, students, rent received or received rent is income. Income comes under which type of account? So here income comes under nominal account. It is related to nominal account. Income related to nominal account. So here you can go to write nominal. Here you write nominal account. Nominal account. Okay, students. So what nominal account principle says? Nominal account principle says expenses, losses, debit, incomes, gain should be credit. Here it is income. Okay, students, it is income. So when it is an income, it should be credited. So received rent account should be credited. Received rent account should be credited as per nominal account principle. Okay, in this way we can go to find the account. Okay, next come to cash account. So cash is asset. Assets related to real account. Okay, what real account principle says? Real account principle says that what comes in debit, what goes out credit. Real account principle says that what comes in debit, what goes out credit. So here when we received rent in the form of cash, is cash coming into the business or going out of the business? So naturally, when we receive the rent in the form of cash, it comes into the business. Comes in. So whatever that comes into the business, that should be debited as per real account principle. So here cash account we can go to debit. Cash account debit. After completion of this process must be taken place in your mind. You have to think these steps in your mind. Then you can go to write the entry in the journal. So here, first in the date column, you can go to write date 11th January 2018, January 11th. So what is the debit account here? First you can go to see which is the debit account. Cash account is the debit account. So here you write cash account debit. In the debit column, you can go to write amount rupees 5,000. Okay, students. And which is the credit account here? Rent receive account or received rent account. Okay, received rent account. So in the credit card against this account, amount you can go to write rupees 5,000. And after that, you can go to write narration. What is the narration here? Being a rent received. Being rent received. In this way, you can go to write the narration. Students, here to write entry in the journal, we need to understand three types of account and their principles. And similarly, you need to understand the dual aspect concept. If you understand these two things, and we can go to find two aspects in the transaction. After finding two aspects, you go to find appropriate account of those aspects. After that, you apply the account to principles. After that, you find debit account and credit account. After finding debit and credit accounts, you can go to write entry in the journal. First, you can go to write the date, then you write the entry and amount in the debit column as well as in the credit column. After that, write the narration. So, in this way, we have to write the journal entry for the given transaction in the journal. Students, I hope you understood how to write the journal entry for the given accounting transaction. And this process is called recording entries in the journal is called as journalizing accounting transactions. Students, I hope you understood all this process. Thank you for watching this video.